was given this engine block to make a table with. I know this is cast and I can't weld to it. The plan early on was to take these pistons, which the pistons are still in here under these heads because he wants to leave them in there. So I had to find these. So what I think I'm going to do is nuts and bolts through these pre-drilled holes right here, wrench them down real tight, and then weld the nut onto the thing. So what I mean is I'll slide this up through here, slide that on, slide that on, tighten this down like that. That hole will work. This hole is a little bit off, so I'm not going to be able to get anything through there, I don't think, unless I get lucky. Anyway, that's my plan. That's what I'm going to go with. I thought this was a really good idea, putting pistons on here to hold the glass. Of course, I get on YouTube and Pinterest and I see everybody else in the world has already done that, of course. But I'm going to roll with it anyway because it's automotive related. It's part of, it's just almost meant to be. So I'm just going to do it too. Of course, I'll take all these wires off and stuff, but he wants to leave this on here, and I think this is some kind of air intake. Barely going to have enough clearance at this height to get the glass on here and clear this. That's my only option. Okay, so amazingly I was able to tap these in this way and take this part of the piston, I don't know even what that's called, but I had to hammer it down all the way flush with this. Then I was able to get one going, pull this one down, get that on there. Look at that. Now, whoop, tighten this down. Both of them. Son of a bitch. And what I'll probably do when this is all the way down, tighten it up really tight, but I'm gonna have to bore that out a little bit right here so I can tighten this all the way down. I'll get it really, really tight, cut off the extra threads, and put a tack weld on that so it will never move. I'm going to go ahead and take all this apart, clean all these parts, get all the grease and nastiness off, put them all back on just like I did just now. And when I get back to this point, I'll pick back up with the video, but we don't need to see me cleaning grease off of the piston. I'm sure mechanics all over the world are cringing right now. I have no idea what this stuff is. All I know is it's got to come off. Can't get the damn thing off. I forgot to mention earlier, he wants to leave all these numbers on here. 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then these numbers here. And there's other little Sharpie marks with the numbers and letters everywhere. He wants to preserve all that. He doesn't want me to clean all that off. So I can't really do too much cleaning to this part. So what I thought I would do is to take a little piece of sandpaper and sand off the top of these letters and make them shiny. I didn't even ask him what kind of motor it was. It says Cosworth, whatever that is. I know he's a race car driver, so this was a race car engine. I just put a weld on the top of that nut and bolt just to keep it from ever moving, backing off for some reason. So you can see these pistons, if I was to put a piece of glass on here right now, this would be in the way. So what I have to do is find something to put on top of these. So I'll glue it on here, whatever that is, and then I'll put the glass on top of that. Then we'll clear this. Then we'll be done. This is just in case I need to make an adjustment for the height of the glass.